Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can change the bridal dress sleeves because this bridal dress sleeves, when bride is trying, it was torn away, so she has to change now sleeves. So she told me to change it, and I had leftover fabric from the other bridal dress, so I was going to attach that fabric onto this sleeves. It was less fabric, so she wants me to make it half sleeves, and you can see that how I am attaching the sleeves now. And you can do it at home too if you want. If you have any problems with the sleeves, sometimes sleeves are too tight, or the fabric is not good, you can change the sleeves at home. As you can see, I'm doing the other sleeve now, and I am stitching with very low tension because this fabric is very thin, so you have to reduce the tension. I am now using the one tension number. As you can see how it's looking now at the end. Subscribe to my channel if you like the video.